welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song here from Bring Me the Horizon and Sigrid called Bad Life. Okay, so it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Yeah, it's bad life. Yeah, anyway. Great song from that collaboration, Bring Me the Horizon and Sigrid. Only 3 chords for this one, no need for any capo. And we will have this kind of picking pattern going on here in the song mostly. So let's start right away. Let's look at the chords. We have first the C sharp minor. So you need to put a bar here on the 4th fret from A string and down, so 5 strings. The rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor. We have the A next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so that is the chord progression through the entire song. So C sharp minor, 2 so to speak, and A2 and E4. I'm gonna explain what that means pretty soon. But yeah, we'll look at this medley which is going on here. And I'm gonna give you that divided into the chords, how to play this one. Pretty easy. Starts with C sharp minor. Here you pick like this, since this is kind of a piano based melody. So we'll try to replicate that in a guitar. So pick from the chord all 4 strings, the A, D, G, and B from the C sharp minor chord. Pick them together like that, and then you can pick another, but just leave the bass note on the A string out of there. So the second time you pick it, just pick the D, G, and B string. So alright, so alright, so that is the C sharp minor part. Just 2 times you pick it. Then you go over to the A, and you do that with a note which is like a bridge note, and that will be the note for the A, the open A string, like this. And you play this grip here for 2 times. You're gonna pick the 2nd fret G string, 2nd fret B string, and open E. These 3 strings, you pick them together 2 times. Alright, so slowly it will be C sharp, 2 times picked the strings there, except from the bass string on the 2nd time, you will not have that one. So then the open A, and then the G, B, and E from the A chord. So together it will be like this. That is the C sharp minor and A. Next is the E. And on the first round you play this E. You will play in one way, and the second round I'm going to show you one other variation of how you're going to handle the E. But for this first time it's very easy. You just pick the open E string in the bass together with the open B and open E in the top. 1 time, and then you continue with another 3 times with just the open B and the open E top string. And then you can add as a bridge note the open B just by itself, like this. And that will end 1 round, and that will give you a bridge to start all over again with the C sharp minor. So the E part here was the open E string in the bass together with open B and open E top string. 1 time, then another 3 times with open B and open E top string. And then just hit 1 open B. So slowly the first round will be like this. again. Alright, so you play that for the first round. The second round, it will play the C sharp minor and A in the same way. The only difference here is with the E. If you wish, you can add some bass notes going on here. So the E final, or the second round, will sound like this. Okay, so it's pretty similar, but we have this bass, like I said. So this second time E is played like open E string in the top, together with open B string and open E bass. So you start in the same way, these three strings. Then just one time you hit the open B and open top string E. Then you're gonna play the bass note here on the 4th fret D string. And then comes the open B, open E top string. Then you switch to the 2nd fret D string as a new bass. And then you end with the open B and open E top string. And this bridge note, open B. Okay, so let's go over that again. The second time you do the E part here, it will be open E bass string together with open B and open E. Then open B and open E top string. Then 4th D. Then open B, open E top string. 2nd D. And then open B, open E top string. And open B. So together this E part only will sound like this. And a full round here from the C sharp minor A and this second time E will sound like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna play this medley for you both first and second round, and that is pretty much what's going on in this song. We'll come back with a strumming pattern, but first let's listen to this. That is actually, you can say, one round, and that will be repeated many times during the song, and you can actually play this through the entire song, and that will be great. But I'm gonna give you one alternative way of playing this, and that will happen at the second time you play the chorus in the lyrics, when the world is on your shoulders, and that is about 1 minute and 46 seconds into the song. Still the same chords. Now we'll look at the way of playing the strumming pattern. Like I said, you could go on with the melody here as well, but here it adds a little bit more energy and tension here, so you could go with the strumming. And if you choose to do that, you will play for the C sharp minor, down, down, clap. So, and then you switch quick to A and play down, 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 clap, down. Okay, so again, C sharp minor, down, down, clap, and then A, down, 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 clap, down. So together. Again. And then you play the final chord, the E. Here you will play everything you played for C sharp minor and A together. So the E will be down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. And that will work till the end of this song here. So you can choose to go either the medley through the entire song, or you can go till this 1 minute and 46 seconds into the song and switch to the strumming and continue with that one, or mix it up, go back and forth. So couple rounds of this strumming will be like this. and that actually covers Bring Me the Horizon and Sigrid's Bad Life. So Bad Life, yeah, so I hope that helped you guys who are fan of this song. And yeah, just practice the melodies there, otherwise the strumming pretty easy, same chords, and yeah, good luck. Play tune, guys.